Imagine this. You've just received your paycheck, and instead of letting it slip away with no plan, you're in control. Every dollar has a job. No waste, no stress. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible with zero-based budgeting. So, what exactly is zero-based budgeting? It's a budgeting method where you start from zero every month. You allocate every single dollar you earn down to the last cent. Think of it like this. You're giving every dollar a specific job to do. Instead of wondering where your money went, you're telling it exactly where to go. No more mystery deductions, no more surprise overspending, just pure intentional financial control. Whether you have a steady paycheck or variable income, the principles remain the same. Track your income, allocate every dollar, and make sure your income minus your expenses equals zero. Here's how it works. You take your income and you assign it to every category. Rent, bills, groceries, savings, debt repayment, everything. Your goal? To make sure every dollar is assigned a job, so at the end of the month, your income equals your expenses. Nothing's left over. This is where the magic happens. Let's say you bring home $4,000 after taxes each month. With zero-based budgeting, you'll sit down and allocate every single dollar of that $4,000. Maybe $1,500 goes towards rent, $500 towards groceries, $200 towards utilities, and so on. You'll continue this process until you've accounted for every dollar, ensuring that your income minus your expenses equals zero. The key here is awareness and intentionality. When you're forced to account for every dollar, you become incredibly aware of your spending habits and can make adjustments accordingly. Chapter 3. Why should you try zero-based budgeting? Now, why should you give zero-based budgeting a shot? 1. Total control. You decide where your money goes, not the other way around. 2. Cut waste. You'll see where your money's being wasted on things like unnecessary subscriptions or impulse buys. 3. Boost your savings. When you assign a portion of every paycheck to savings and goals, you'll be surprised how quickly it adds up. 4. Pay off debt faster. With a more intentional plan, you can prioritize debt and start chipping away at it faster. Zero-based budgeting forces you to confront your spending habits head-on. By allocating every dollar, you'll quickly identify areas where you can cut back without feeling deprived. Imagine how much faster you could reach your financial goals if you were intentionally saving and investing more each month. Zero-based budgeting makes this possible by helping you prioritize your savings and debt repayment goals. Chapter 4. Steps to create your own zero-based budget. Ready to get started? Here's how you can create your own zero-based budget in just a few simple steps. 1. List your income. Start with how much money you actually make after taxes. 2. List all your expenses. Break down everything, your fixed costs like rent, utilities, and loans, as well as your variable costs like food, entertainment, and gas. 3. Allocate every dollar. Now assign every single dollar of your income to a category, whether it's savings, debt repayment, or spending. The key here is to make sure your income minus your expenses equals zero. 4. Adjust as needed. Life happens, right? Review and adjust your budget each month to stay on track. Chapter 5. Common mistakes to avoid. A quick heads up. While zero-based budgeting is powerful, there are a few mistakes you want to watch out for. 1. Underestimating expenses. Don't forget about those sneaky costs, like dining out or spontaneous online shopping. 2. Not budgeting for fun. You still need room for entertainment and relaxation. 3. Forgetting emergency expenses. Life's unexpected, so always have a small cushion for surprises. That's why it's crucial to have an emergency fund in place to cover these unexpected costs. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up in a separate account. Make every dollar count. And that's it. Zero-based budgeting is the secret weapon to making every dollar work for you. It forces you to be intentional, cut out unnecessary spending, and get clear on your financial goals. Ready to take control of your finances? Start budgeting from zero today. Thanks for watching. Stay financially empowered. Until next time, make every dollar count and keep building that financial future.